It's time to pass out the paper math. Today we're on lesson 126, side A. And I did something silly over here, just to see if you notice. It says to draw a 2-inch line segment for your name. This line is too small. I can't write my name on it. What happened? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? That's right, I drew a 2-centimeter line segment instead of 2 inches. So they're keeping us on our toes today. They're seeing if we're paying attention. So I've got to draw a 2-inch line segment instead of a 2-centimeter line segment. Name on your paper, first thing. Today's date. What is the date? The month is April, and we start that with a capital letter. And the day is the 28th, comma, and the year is 2020. Yeah, I saw something the other day where someone had made toilet paper rolls out of the zeros in the 2020. The year of the toilet paper. That's silly. Day of the week. 7 days. 7 days in a week, baby. 7 days. 7 days in a week, baby. Sunday, Monday. Tuesday. That's a hard one to spell. Tuesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days in a week, baby. Today we have to draw 28 tally marks. It's a lot of tally marks. There's not many more days in April, though. 30 days in April. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 tally marks. Woo! I'm tired. Just kidding. All right, place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. It's place value. I'm talking place value. Write the number 114 on the place value chart. All right, so 114 looks like this. It looks like a 100 with a 14. So we put the 1 in the 100 spot, the other 1 in the 10 spot, and the 4 goes in the ones. So this means 100 plus 10 plus 4. 100 plus 10 plus 4 equals 114. All right, it's time for we need to circle the digit that tells the number of ones. Ones. Number 2, 5 children from room 4 went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. 6 children from room 5 went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the children at the nurse's office. All right, we have a lot of numbers going on here. We don't have to use all of our numbers. Some of these numbers are not important to what we need to know. We need to focus on the children. We don't need to know what room they were in unless we're the nurse and we need to know what room to go to get these children. But as for our problem today, we don't need to know the room number. That's for the nurse to know. So what we need to know is we need to talk about the children. So there were 5 children that went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked, and then there were 6 more children. That sounds like a doubles plus 1 fact. All right, so 5 children. I'm going to make stick people. It's up to you if you just want to make their faces. If you like to draw, you can make them more detailed. Now I'm going to even write numbers on their heads so I can count them. So here are the 5 children from room 4, and there were 6 children from room 5. Yeah, I believe we're in room 13, but no one ever calls it that. They just call it Mrs. Robinson's room. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5, we all know. 5 plus 6 is 1 more than that. So if you know 5 plus 5, it's just 1 more. So 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and 1 more would be, that's correct. There were 11 children that went to the nurse's office to have their eyes checked. As we go on to number 3, it looks like we're looking for more observations about this chart. Favorite insects. Which one would you vote for? The ladybug, the firefly, or the ant? Ants are amazing, but I probably just like fireflies better just because I just think they're so cool the way they light up. And I know some of you like ladybugs too, and ants. So you have to think about which one you would vote for. It says the children in Mrs. Flitter's class made this graph about their favorite insects. Write one thing that you know about the children in her class. All right. Well, what do I know? I know that more students like ladybugs. I know that less students or fewer students like ants. I can count how many students are in the class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. There are 19 students in the class. I guess I could have done this too. 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19. So what is your observation going to be? What would you like to say? I don't know how many girls and boys are in the class. I can't write anything down about that. I don't know how many kids like grasshoppers. I can't write anything down about that. I could tell how many kids liked ladybugs, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could say that 8 students liked. And when I start a sentence with a number, I have to write the number out into a word. So 8 students liked, there's the ED, liked ladybugs. 8 students liked ladybugs. I'm going to have to add an S to that. So 8 students like ladybugs. You only have to write one observation. I'm going to write 2 to give you a few more options. I'm going to say 4 students liked ants. I could say there are 19 children in this class liked ants. And notice I'm putting a period at the end of my sentence also. Oh, here's the new concept. Quarters. How much money is this? All right, I'll give you a few seconds to write in your answer. All right, do I count by 5s? No. 10s? No. Do I count by 20s? No. 25. 25, 50, 75. We don't have $1 today, do we? We have 75 cents. Don't forget the cent sign. 75 cents. And now it's time on number 5 to add 3 numbers. Well, I know 2 plus 2, so I think I'll do that one first. 2 plus 2 is 4. So now I've got to add 7 plus 4. I think I'm going to put 4 dots on the 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I guess I could have started with 7 and said 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Touch the 2 times. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. All right, it's time to subtract. I can go outside to my number line I made yesterday. I think I just might use this ruler that I have right here. All right, I've got 9, and I've got to take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so when I have 2 numbers that are right next to each other on the number line, I'm taking away all but 1. So there's 1 left. If I have 9 M&Ms and I eat 8 of them, I only have 1 left. This time I have 8 M&Ms and I only am going to eat 1. So I've got 8 M&Ms and I only eat 1. So I have 7 M&Ms left. Yummy. All right, let's talk about donuts. I'm hungry for donuts. I have 5 donuts and I eat 2 of them. 5 donuts, I eat 2. I still have 3 donuts left. 6, take away 5. Those numbers are right next to each other on the number line, 6 and 5. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only going to be 1 left. 8, take away 6. 8, take away 6. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 2 left. Yeah, I love to pretend subtraction with food. You might think of another way that you like to subtract. All right, so that's side A. You're going to be doing side B. It looks like on your homework, there's only 2 quarters this time instead of 3. You have to decide how much money is this. And if you can't remember, you have to look again at the hands-on video about quarters, quarter cheer. And then you'll be doing the fact sheet 126, and it has 2 sides. I know you're excited about that. I know how much you love those. Get it done quickly so you can play outside. All right? Math is so much fun. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.